Welcome back to Dream Lifestyle, and as you can see in the title, today we got something special with Crossfire. We're going to be wrapping the wheels, and I don't know if you know it's the wheels yet, but that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be wrapping the wheels. Just bought some wrap from Amazon, and it's supposed to be 3M, and I got the kit and everything, so we're going to see what it is. This is new to me, and I'm sure new to a lot of you guys, so this will be kind of a tutorial slash just me trying to rush get something done. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing really quick. So in the first package, we got X-Acto knife for the wrap, of course. We got another blade for that. We got another blade and also the squeegee. So I'll use this to get the other box open, but let's open this up. This is pretty hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, I almost lost my shit. I had picked this up, there wasn't anything in it, so I was about to lose my shit, but here's wrap. This is gloss black. I'm gonna try to unwrap it a little bit, but I almost freaked out. I almost thought that they didn't send me anything, but here we go. Let's open this real quick. Just so you guys know, this is 3M 1080 gloss black. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, first impression, I'm really impressed. I don't know if you could tell, but they're like black, or they're like sparkles in that, and that's insane. It almost looks like a coat of paint, almost like a powder coat. So I'm pretty stoked about this. What I have to do right now though is, before I install this, to go clean the wheels and yeah, get this baby going. This is gonna be sick. Like, I know a lot of people plasti dip, and I almost went that route, but you just can't get it that shiny, and I like this. Like, this is super shiny, so that's what I wanted for my wheels. And dude, I'm excited. Like, I hope this turns out good. But yeah, we gotta go clean the car. I don't think I'm gonna show all that process, but we're gonna get the wheels prepped up and everything. You can find another video on how to do that later on, but let's get to it. I just gotta get these off. I'm gonna use some floss just to get these pried off. So as you can see, I already got one of the side Strakes out. And for the other Crossfire owners, I'll go ahead and show you how to do that real quick. It's not too hard, it takes about a few seconds, if not anything. So just got that side off, and tape's still on there, so we're gonna have to get that off. And then come over to this side. And basically what we're using is resin floss to get in between these cracks, and there's really only tape right here. So once you get that off, then use a little credit card and then punch these tabs out. I also recommend using a blow dryer just to kind of get the tape loosened up a little bit. Not the best camera angle, but work with me. It's saw had it. If you break it, get a new piece. Get behind here, and there's a push tab right here that you need to pull, or push down with the card while you're pulling that. So just got it off, and as you can see, there's 3 little pins right there that fit right in that hole, and they're pretty easy to get out. And then this just kind of comes off. So clean this up, and I'm gonna start wrapping these, and I'm gonna get some more tape for this spot. So just cleaned up this straight and pretty much got as much glue off as I could, but cleaned it off, dried it, and then here's the wrap. This is gloss black, and it's got a little sparkle to it. It's 3M 1080, I believe. Then, depending on how much I have left, I'm gonna do the other one, the grill, and then possibly the hood pillars, but we'll see. So after about 45 minutes, finally got the first side done. I did the passenger side because this is my first time wrapping, and I don't want to fuck up, which I did a couple times, I admit. Like, it's not hard, but it's not easy. Like, you just have to be patient with it and like take care of your cuts. And there's one spot that I did miss, which is down like there in that little corner, but that's going to be at the bottom, so you're not going to be able to see it, so that's why I'm not going to re-wrap that. But yeah, the back side I just folded everything over, so I'm gonna put this on the car, see how it looks, and then go from there. I still got the other side to do. So just got the first side done, and it's not perfect because this was my first time, and when you get really close, that's when you can see the like errors and details and a few bubbles here and there. Like I try to get them out, but it's kind of difficult. But for the most part, I like the look. I'm gonna see how much I have left. I'm gonna do the other side and then maybe that trim right there, and we'll see how it looks. Just finished the rest of the wrap. I thought I was gonna finish, but I actually had some extra, so just wrap that A pillar. It's not good, but could be worse. It's just up close, like right there and up there. Basically, what I've learned from this and what I can vouch for you guys so that you know ahead of time what to expect is that wrapping is not that hard, but it is tedious, and attention to detail is everything. And even when you want to pay attention, sometimes experience or the lack of will catch up to you. So basically what I had problems with was, one, cutting with the blade is extremely like slow process because you don't want to scratch the paint, you don't want to damage anything. So definitely using the blade is one thing, but another is the air bubbles. If you notice in mine, if you look real close, you can see little air pockets forming, and I don't know what causes that right yet, because what I ended up doing is I'll stretch it out, I'll heat it up, put it on there, squeegee it out, and there will be like 0 air bubbles. They'll be smooth, but then when I come back to it, there'll be like 2 air bubbles. I'm like, fuck. So I don't know what caused that. Maybe it's moisture that dried up under it. I don't know. But if you do know, definitely let me know in the comments. But outside of that, that's going to do it for this video. And like I said, it's just a little Crossfire update. So there will be more. Let me know in the comments what you want me to do. But I'm going to go kind of clean up the wrap because it's got some scuff marks on it. But outside of that, catch you guys in the next one.